Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I didn't get a video done last week due to my mother-in-law's passing. It's been a really tough month for our family. We're going to miss her terribly. She was such a wonderful woman.
Feel it grow like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. It's open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul. To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others.
Thank you for watching. I'm so sorry for the short video, but I wanted to get a video out this week, and we all know laundry's a never-ending battle. If you're new, hit that red subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Just wanna be with you till we grow old.